Spoken Tamil for absolute beginners in English. Welcome to my course. I am Sriranee from Jaffna, Sri Lanka. Tamil is my mother tongue. This course contains lessons 40 and 3 assignments with answers. Lesson length is 5 hours. Let's see why you should learn to speak Tamil. In a world that is increasingly interconnected, there are lots of advantage in learning multiple foreign languages. Tamil is spoken by over 70 million people around the world, making it an important language to learn. There are Tamils living in India, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, United Kingdom, United States of America, and Canada. Let's see why you should select this course, Spoken Tamil for absolute beginners in English. This course is crafted for 5 categories of students. Number 1, for beginners who cannot speak Tamil and having an interest to learn. Number 2, foreigners who have no knowledge of Tamil and wish to learn Tamil. Number 3, children of Tamil diaspora who speak foreign language in schools and at home and wants to learn spoken Tamil to have the connection with their roots back at home. Number 4, those who need the language for official and business purposes. Number 5, those who are sitting for Tamil oral examination for job-related matters such as promotions. In the introduction video of this course, you can find the contents of this course where a number of useful topics have been covered to learn the language in a shorter period. This course is designed for learners who want to learn spoken Tamil without going the full route to certification. Some common learning objectives for spoken Tamil include understanding basic phrases and vocabulary, improving pronunciation, developing conversational skills for everyday situations, building confidence in speaking and communicating in Tamil, enhancing listening and comprehension skills, learning to read and write Tamil script. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to explore further, you can enroll in the course or sample the free previews. Good luck in your journey in learning spoken Tamil.